What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. As you guys can tell by the title, this video is going to be all about my Coachella prep. I'm heading to Coachella this weekend, so there's a lot of beauty maintenance we need to do. I actually love the vlogs where I do a lot of beauty maintenance just because I think it's like fun to watch. But on the agenda this week, I'm going to a really cool gifting suite tomorrow. Those are always really fun, and I swear the Coachella ones, like, they go all out. Like the one I'm going to tomorrow, they're doing lymphatic drainage massages, which is something I needed to do anyway. We're doing that. There's like a Pilates class. That one's gonna be fun, so I'm gonna vlog that one tomorrow. Getting my hair done. We're gonna put extensions in. Spray tan. I haven't spray tan in forever. What else? Nails. Definitely got to do nails. We need to plan our outfits. I got so many packages that I haven't even opened yet, so we got to see like what fits, what doesn't, actually plan the fit. So this is going to be a really fun, like, girly vlog. As you guys just saw, I just took a shower, and guys, I am so excited about the EOS Vanilla Cashmere collection. You guys know, like, Mel and I have been obsessed with this lotion since it first dropped. Like, we have been this lotion's biggest fan. I mean, it's all over social media. I'm sure you guys have seen this lotion. But they extended the collection, you guys. Like, I was so excited when I saw they dropped the shave oil, the body oil, the which one is this? This is the whipped oil butter, and the matching body wash. Of course, you guys saw me use this in the shower, so I was just so excited to see that they extended the collection. I really find that when you layer scents, like when your body wash matches your lotion, your body oil, the fragrance tends to linger a little longer. I just picked up a new one of the body lotions because this one, literally, I've been unscrewing it and like getting out the last drop. I'm like, girl, you just gotta repurchase it. Like, literally, this is how I've been using it. But guys, this lotion is just so lightweight. That's what I love about it. Like, it's super moisturizing, yet it's lightweight. It like absorbs the skin immediately. Nothing makes me more mad than lotions and moisturizers that you have to like keep rubbing. It's like this like white glob of cream just like on your body they have to keep rubbing in. This immediately absorbs into the body, and again, this scent is incredible. I also have sensitive skin and I have no problems with the fragrance in this collection. The body lotion and body oil moisturize for up to 24 hours, but if you want the big kahuna, you got to get the whipped oil butter. This moisturizes up to 72 hours. You guys saw I use it on my legs. This is the big guns right here. Summer is pretty much here. It's around the corner. We're gonna be in swimsuits. We're gonna be in shorts, dresses. You need to get your hands on this collection because I swear your skin is just gonna be looking so good. I love applying body oil whenever I'm wearing something like strapless. I always go in with the oil to give my body a healthy glow. And I hate when oils, again, are like super heavy and they don't absorb into your skin. They get in your hair, like it's like the worst. But this one, again, it's super lightweight, immediately absorbs into the body and just leaves a beautiful radiant glow on the skin. Make sure you guys get your hands on this collection if you can. I've been seeing it's been sold out, y'all. Like, that's how good this stuff is. If you see it in stock, stock up, stockpile it, because dude, like, this is by far the best moisturizer you're gonna get at the drugstore. Like, there's no comparison. I have a dinner later tonight, so I need to start getting ready. I'm gonna actually film doing my makeup for like TikTok and Instagram, so I'll put it in this video too. But I've been meaning to just like sit down and do my makeup, and I've just been putting it off. Like my nighttime glam, because a lot of you guys have been requesting it, so I'm gonna film that while I get ready. I was gonna say something and then I forgot. Oh, I'm really excited because the dinner is with YouTube. I feel like I haven't gone to like a YouTube specific event in a very long time. Like have I even been to a YouTube event? Like YouTube doesn't really like do events like that. So I'm really excited to go to like a YouTube dinner. And actually Jackie Aina is hosting it. So you guys know, love Jackie. She is such an inspiration. So she's gonna be hosting the dinner. It's gonna be at Lavo tonight, which is a really nice restaurant here in LA. So I need to start getting ready. I need to leave the house in an hour. So we're yapping a little too much. So let's get ready. Hosting a super cute dinner just for the YouTube girlies.
YouTubers only.
Yes, I love that. Because we were talking about how as YouTubers, we feel like, we get pushed to the side nowadays.
I know, they forgot about us, but not no more. We're back.
Yeah.
You're so confident. Oh my God, so sweet.
It's a creator collective. I think I've seen a couple of you at some other events. But it's a new program that we started. Really, the goal is just to bring creators together. We know that a lot of times you're creating by yourself and you just really need that outlet to like build community. And so this one is kind of like a special edition that we're doing. It's really intimate, and we're so happy that Jackie wanted to be a part of this program. Her big thing was really just focusing on women. So we know that Women's History Month just ended, but we really just want to celebrate women all year round. So I'm just really excited. I think when I heard about it, I was excited to like be a part of this. So thank you for the opportunity for us to put on this great event for you, celebrating you and Forever Move as well. So you'll find some fun Forever Move goodies in your gift bags. So love that. So yeah, if you haven't like smelled the I Am Her fragrance or spray it away.
Just want to say thank you again to YouTube for doing this with me and involving Forever Move. Because one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shout out Forever Move. But I really wanted to reach out to each of you ladies individually because so many of you in this room have made such a positive impact on me personally and other millions of other women on the platform as well. And I think it's so important that we consistently, as bad as I am at this sometimes, because I know sometimes we get busy, life is busy, we got a man, we got the kids, we got the jobs, it's so hard to remember the art of collaboration and just checking in with each other. But as many of us have all grown our careers outside of YouTube, YouTube will always have like a special place in my heart. And so many of you are a big part of what makes the platform special for me. And the platforms change over the years, but like all of your impacts don't, and that's why I reached out to each of you and wanted to include you guys. So thank you guys so much for coming. I really hope you guys enjoy the food. Lava's one of my favorite restaurants, so. But if you don't like food, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I've never been here. But yes, please enjoy, and thank you guys so much for coming.
I'm back with my Silva, finally. You guys know she always gives the best scalp massage, scalp wash. We missed you.
I've missed you
you're
so
cute.
much. I've missed you so much. It was like way long overdue.
You know, we got our dough in the juice.
I'm strolling casually. I like how you stop and stare. They wanna get to know me.
I just got a package from Opali with some potential Coachella looks. And guys, this one is so fire. This is for sure gonna be a fit. I love it. It's so flattering and it's so comfortable. Like there's definitely a little bit of stretch in there. You guys know I'm an autumn, so it's one of my colors. But yeah, it fits perfect. Love the length of the pants. I actually got this gold chain that I think will look really good with it. I just added this gold waist chain and it just brought the whole look together. Definitely, I think it's gonna be my day 2 outfit because I have one for day 1 that was part of the footage that got deleted, but it's with my mom because she did sew it up for me because it was a little too revealing. She wanted to sew it up to here and I was like, Ma, please. So she sewed it up to like here. But yeah, that one's with my mom. So I'll show you guys how that looks now that it's sewn. But yeah, this is for sure day 2 outfit. I love it with this bracelet too. And I'm gonna show you guys the boots that I'm gonna wear with it because I got those boots at the gifting suite with the lost footage. Let me show you guys. These are the 3 boots that I'm gonna be bringing with me. So these 2 I actually got at the gifting. So these black ones, can't really see it. They're like that Western style boot. These are from Chinese Laundry. I got these brown ones with buckles and these are from Just Fab. The brand is called something Paris, Dream Paris. Yes, they're from Dream Paris. Yeah, I got these brown ones and then these nude ones I got from Amazon. I'll have them linked in my Amazon storefront down below. But yeah, I have every color that I'll need. Here's another piece from Opali. This is again all from their festival collection. This one's cute. Like I think this would look so cute on other girls. It's just not flattering on me and my body type. I like it. I think it's super cute, but yeah, it's definitely not the most flattering. And I don't like that it doesn't have built-in shorts. So yeah, I'll probably return this one. We needed to do an outfit for Revolve Fest. So all these pieces are from Revolve minus the boots. I feel like nothing I ordered was like a legitimate outfit. It was all like pieces. Somehow guys, this skirt actually fit. I did not think it was gonna go on, but it's actually super cute and it's a skirt. So there's shorts underneath. Thank God, because it would be way too short otherwise. And then we have this brown shirt from Super Down. So let me know what you guys think. You guys are gonna be watching this, I think, before Coachella. So if you guys think this outfit's trash, me and Brittany like it, but if you guys think this outfit's trash, please comment down below so I wear something else this day. But this is the outfit. Here's what the top looks like from the back. And then I have this White Fox boutique purse that goes with these boots. All my outfits are super autumn vibes, guys. Like autumn color palette. And then I'll probably wear it with some gold necklaces, sunglasses. This would pretty much be the fit, just with some more jewelry. So again, if this is not cute, please let me know, because sometimes I'd be blind. So we're about to go to a baby shower. So we're gonna go to the baby shower real quick and then head back to the house, change, and then drive to Coachella. But the dress code was neutral for the baby shower. It's like dressy, it's a cocktail attire. What'd you say?
I was gonna say make sure you say cocktails so they're not
yes.
like
Cocktail, yeah, cocktail attire, so it's dressy. I mean, guys, it's Leanne and Dawn. You guys know they go all out, so we have to put on our best fits. Wait, where'd you get that? Mel just whipped this suit out of thin air.
I had this in Italy.
Looks really good. Where'd you get it?
ASOS.
ASOS? Nice. My dress is from Naked Wardrobe. I'm wearing those YSL heels that I bought in Dubai. And guys, this little Bottega dupe is from Amazon. Because I knew if I bought the Bottega one, I was going to get over it. So I was like, let me buy the dupe. So yeah, I'll link this in my Amazon storefront as well. My bracelet is from Amazon. I like how it's like Amazon purse, YSL shoes.
That's how it should be.
Let me get a solo shot. This is not my ideal hair that I would do with this, but this is the look. What's up, you guys? I cannot believe this. I sat down to edit this vlog. All of my footage from yesterday is gone. Not yesterday, the day before that. So yesterday is when I went to go get my nails done, my hair done, all of that. The day before, like I said at the beginning, I went to that gifting suite. What else did I do? I went to that gifting suite. I gave you guys like a little haul of the gifting suite. It really wasn't like, I wasn't too upset. Trust me, in any other situation, I would have been so upset that I deleted footage. I didn't even realize I deleted it until I sat down to edit. And that's because when I was getting my hair done, you guys know it's like a time lapse. It takes up a lot of space on the memory card. So my memory card stopped recording because it ran out of space. So I was like, let me clear out the memory card. And I didn't even realize I deleted that whole day's worth of footage. So yeah, I mean, again, you guys didn't really miss much. Again, if I deleted footage from like an event or like a once in a lifetime thing, I don't know, a birthday vlog, something like that. That would have been horrible. But I'm like, it really wasn't that big of a deal. I also went to the Garnier event as well yesterday. But yeah, you guys saw today was just wrapping up any like leftover work I had. Actually packing for Coachella, packing my fits. I didn't really pick my fits until today, which is like the day of, which is kind of crazy for me. But I knew I had a bunch of stuff ordered, so I wasn't like freaking out because like, you know, I knew I had outfits in those boxes. And then we went to Leanne and Dawn's baby shower. I didn't get any footage of it because they requested that nobody post anything until they do. So that's why I don't have any footage of the baby shower. But it was, guys, it was a wedding. Like literally this baby shower was a wedding. They went all out. It was so beautiful. So yeah, we just got home, showered, changed, and now we're about to drive to Palm Springs. Everybody I told that to at the baby shower, they were like, "You're driving tonight?" Yes, dude, we're driving tonight. Mel is a champ. He's about to drive like 2 hours right now to Coachella. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be vlogging Coachella, and that will be continued in the next vlog. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and we're about to have a lit weekend, and I'm taking y'all with me. So again, make sure you guys subscribe down below, like this video, and I'll see you guys for my next video. Bye, guys.